Throwback to February 2023, when the Big Air Kite League got a new investor. We've got a huge shot at success, which means blowing big air kiting up into the mainstream, but we've also got a limited runway to make the dream happen. So this vlog is dedicated to all the creators and entrepreneurs out there. If you're one of them, then drop a comment down below so I can see who you are. Guys, this year has been my toughest year yet in my journey as a kite-tropreneur. So this year started out epic. I got an investor for the Big Air Kite League and hired our COO, Ian Averer. We worked extremely hard to strategize and develop the business plan for the league, making sure that we'd have a decent runway with the new capital injection. It was time to run full power Tarifa. The whole team got to work on executing the vision and things were looking great. We flew our Fight for Flight production team in from Egypt, Poland and South Africa to start shooting season 2 of Fight for Flight. That's our docu-series, by the way. We were in one of the windiest places in the world with more than 30 days of winter period ahead of us. Everything was going great and we didn't get any freaking wind. So we'd put in all this work to define the Backle brand identity further and developed some amazing media products. This was our time to shine and show potential sponsors what this team can accomplish. But we got skunked. But I wasn't about to let all that work go to waste. So nearing the end of the winter period, we saw a nuclear forecast in the south of France. Some of the riders had already gone up there to train. This is our chance, I thought. We're going to go up there and shoot episode 1 of Backle Battles. Backle Battles is a concept I came up with 3 years ago. We actually shot the first episode 3 years ago, but we didn't do a good enough job, so it never saw the light of day. So my wife Jasmine and I rented a camper van and drove 1,333 kilometers from Tarifa to Barcares. For those of you who don't know, Barcares is the epic kite spot where my friend Tristan runs Lords of Tram. It was a Backle stop for 2 years, but due to some political stuff, we weren't able to partner with them this year. So in true run and gun fashion, I storyboarded the episode quickly, hired the only decent cameraman still available in town, thank you Kevin, set things up with the riders and shot the episode. But before I get into that, here's some footage from my latest storm chase to France. All right guys. The mission wagon, vamos!
T'en trouveras d'autres des mecs comme moi, et on aura plein des gars pour toi. Tes boucles brunes s'évaporent, dans mon âme, dans mon corps.
Je te cherche dans mes songes, je te traque dans mes rêves, à l'aube ou dans mon rire en veine sur tes lèvres, écorchant les abîmes de mon cœur écarlate. Tu n'es que le point fixe de mes songes disparates. Aime-moi dans la neige, aime-moi sous le soleil, aime-moi la peau beige dans les fleurs de vermeil. Je vois des gens qui cornuent, je vois des gens qui me sourient, mais moi je plane dans la rue, dans tes yeux sous la pluie. Et je reste l'esprit de tes lointains souvenirs, dans mes songes ensevelis, tes larmes, tes rires. Tu es ma femme iconique, tu es mon rubis saphir, je suis ta rose lyrique, je suis ces gens qui t'admirent.
Aime-moi dans la neige, aime-moi sous le soleil, aime-moi la peau beige dans les fleurs de vermeil, aime-moi dans la neige, aime-moi sous le soleil, aime-moi la peau beige dans les fleurs.
Good morning guys. I have the best wife in the world and there she is. Guys, look at what I wake up to. Lovely cup of coffee and some delicious oats. Anyway, so it was really tough to land yesterday, landing in like chop, and also just my first time riding like 50 knots in probably like 2 years or something, but it was awesome. I really enjoyed myself and I'm gonna head out there this morning. It looks like it might even be stronger. And by the way, huge shout out to Jamie Overbake. That guy was going huge yesterday. I pulled like 2 loops and I was like pretty scared doing them, and Jamie was just going to the freaking moon, probably like 20-meter high loops with board offs and rotations. Like, oh my god, these guys, him and Andrea, are just through the roof. So yeah, let's get out there and have another 6 session, day 2 of the epic storm chase. Whoa! here in Cohen's van, and guys, Yamamoto neoprene, this ride engine wetsuit is absolutely sick. It feels so soft, it's stretchy, and yeah, it keeps me warm. I am damn impressed. This is without a doubt the best wetsuit I have ever worn, and thank you so much to Ride Engine for hooking it up. Also love my impact vest, the Empax. Guys, you needed a good impact vest, and I highly recommend getting this wetsuit. It's hot shit.
On n'a pas honte si le noir, la violence et son aura qui danse. Tant pis, tant pis, tant pis, hâtivement j'ai compris. Affolante résistance, je me lance. Mojo, 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 t'en vas pas. 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 Témérité, amants assoiffés, déviation sur le bas-côté de souffle qui se cherche.
So in true run and gun fashion, I storyboarded the episode quickly, hired the only decent cameraman still available in town, thank you Kevin, set things up with the riders and shot the episode. Almost everything went amazingly. The riding was insane, the overlays were epic, and we released the episode to the Barcares audience and everyone was fired up. Welcome to the first episode of Barcares Battles. We're here in Parc des Dos, France, and 4 pro big air kiters are going to battle it out for the ultimate prize of €2,000.
So 1, 2, 3, take my hand and come with me because you look so fine that I really want to make you mine.
But guys, this has been exhausting. If you don't understand why, it's probably because you aren't aware that I have 3 other businesses which I own and operate, and I'm married now, so I can't afford to be a workaholic anymore. So where are we now? We've moved Full Power Tarifa to the window of 15 September to 30 October. Our sponsors are happy with the decision. We've since signed Outside Watch, a large sports channel in the United States, as a media distribution partner. We went to the United States to run our first ever big air event there, Barcares Hood River. We're going to release season 1 of Fight for Flight soon. We are looking for more sponsors for Full Power, so please send me an email if you're interested. It's a great opportunity for any businesses looking to get in front of an amazing audience and get some sick content. So wrapping things up, I'd like to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to my incredible wife, Jasmine. Thank you for being my rock throughout this journey. I really could not do any of this without you. A massive shout out to our major sponsors, Core and Kite Money. Your belief in our vision and unwavering support have been instrumental in making our dreams a reality. So thank you so much, guys. Last but certainly not least, to each and every one of you watching this video, our viewers and supporters, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Your encouragement, feedback, and passion for what we do keeps us motivated and inspired. Your involvement in our community means everything and way more than you could ever know. And together, we're taking the Big Air Kite League to new heights. Remember that the wind might not always be in our favor, but with the support of amazing people like yourselves, we're unstoppable. If you've got anything to say or any stories you'd like to share, I would love to hear them. Please drop them in the comments down below. Otherwise, please feel free to email me and write to me in the comments. Muchos besos. Adios.